What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah back with another video. Today I'm here with my sis Kendall.
Hey!
Today I'm finally getting to try all this makeup I brought back from Europe. I tried to get a little bit of everything. I have some that's like Yves Rocher, so that's like their like really high-end like makeup brand over there. And then I have other stuff that's like drugstore scale. We're gonna get a little taste of everything. And yeah, you guys will just see what I got as we go. Yeah, I have another face here so I could, you know, have another opinion. Okay, so first of all, I do only have one foundation though to start with.
What's our color?
Well, I tested it on my hand at the store. I did break out a little bit because while I was on my trip, I did not do that well keeping up with my night skincare routine. But I'm getting back there, getting back to my clear self again. So the reason why I was drawn to this is because I got this at a place called like Icy Paris XL. Basically, I looked it up and everything, and it looks like their website wasn't even developed yet. Like they're like a brand new company.
We'll pump it out. Let's see what
it's made in Italy.
Like. Ooh.
So I just put it out right there.
I don't like fragrance stuff, so.
Oh shoot! I don't have.
I would just use my fingers. What?
So dip in.
Oh, okay. Ooh, this is easier.
Is this always how you put on foundation?
Yeah. Okay. Just because I like how it looks more natural.
I'm in her room right now, and so I forgot some things when I was in the rush over here.
This is a really nice color. Like, you did a good.
You did a good.
You did a good.
Thanks.
So how much was this? Is this drugstore makeup?
This was actually like, it was in a place that had like pretty expensive brands, but it was really cheap itself. I was like, whoa.
Oh, this looks really good. Be Creative Makeup. Feather Finish Matte Foundation.
Yeah, it looks like you're not wearing makeup though, right?
Yeah. It does. I don't feel like I'm wearing makeup, and that's what I like.
Sorry guys, I don't have a mirror, so I'm looking to this mirror here. Like, it looks like it's a perfect shade for you.
Is this the concealer?
Yes, it's
Bay?
So
Bay.
So I found this concealer from this brand called Bay, and it was last minute when I realized I didn't have a concealer to try yet. Oh, you know, I just realized I don't have a pressed powder either, like to set the face, but oh well, because this stuff doesn't feel.
It's matte. I don't think it needs to be set.
Anyways,
it'll brighten my eyes.
It's made in Poland. This is the Hema brand, like that's like the big store I went into. Oh. We want to love it. Will we? Let's see. I think this is like a drugstore brand.
Smell it. Let me smell it.
It smells like vegan. It smells like CoverGirl. We're gonna blow this with our fingers too.
Yeah.
I put too much.
Is this a good match?
Oh, I'm excited to get to the eyebrow products.
Oh yeah, I need help with that. I'm so tired. I would say it's like not super full coverage. I think it can be built up. I think it's like medium.
Okay, that is. Well, I just put a lot, so it's like.
I didn't put back in what we were.
Oh yes. This is why I was excited for the eyebrows. So. I got this thing.
It looks like a toothbrush.
It's vegan. It's called the Bay Brow Wonder Fill and Define Pencil, and this is actually the Yves Rocher. So this is the high-end one. So this is at the drugstore.
But you just brush your brows with that. Oh, it's so soft. Ooh, that's kind of. I like that aesthetic.
It's not too great. It's ready. So on this side, it's just like a normal. Kind of reminds me of like a brow whiz.
I don't know.
But it looks like this is just their form of like a little spoolie. Yeah.
Is this too dark for me?
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks good?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna get hate on my brows.
I feel like it's like you can like use it to blend, or if you use it really harshly, it just like erases for you.
Is it easy to use?
You want to do your other brow?
Whoa, this is an interesting little spoolie thing. On camera, I think this one looks lighter than this one.
But I still just have one eyebrow done.
Oh, yeah. So you finish. And this foundation, like, wow.
Zoom up on your face so they can see what you're talking about.
Is this close enough? Ah.
Ow. My butt is like sore from sitting on this hardwood floor. Okay. I'm satisfied enough. Next. Contour, darling. Contour. Yes. So, you have your own contour brush, right?
No.
Ew, well,
this smells like perfume.
So what I have for contouring is some Yves Rocher, sweetie, yes. But yeah, this stuff was not cheap at all. Like all the stuff from Yves Rocher came out to like $120. And
how much was that?
That's in euros? Like, oh no, sorry, that was 120 euros. So it was probably like 100. I don't know, $35 dollars. It's a rough estimate. We're using this Yves Rocher Bronzing Powder Duo. So y'all can see it's kind of like a lighter one and a darker one. Can I use that for this? This is like too hard. I want to like capture it too. It looks lighter in the viewfinder than it does IRL.
Just swirl it.
You're stressing me out.
This is so cool. I love. Oh, wow.
Oh no, Kendall. I feel like I don't like how this blends.
You do or you don't?
I don't. I feel like this is coming out like muddy.
Muddy? Oh my god.
Look at me. Look at me in real life, Kendall.
Yeah, I see it. You need to blend more right over there. See if that's better.
Oh my god. Yeah, it looks so much better. I mean, at least it looks a little smoother. I don't know what's going on.
They put a lot of fragrance in this stuff, which is not that good for the skin.
Like, I'm blending it how I would blend it any other, like all my other like bronzers. What is this?
Oh yeah. It's a little patchy.
It's because you told me to swirl on both of them, I think.
Oh,
and then both of them were on different parts of the brush.
Why'd you listen to me?
Yeah, this is all your fault. You just keep blending and nothing can go wrong. It will all be fixed eventually.
So can I use this bronzer? I think this is a bronzer.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh no.
Oh no, Kendall, why are you're using so much pressure? Yeah, it doesn't look that bad.
I feel like it came off.
Oh, I'm crying. I need to put some blush on right now so I don't have to look at this. I don't like use or shade. It's overpriced and overrated. We have all of these options. We got the Hema brand highlighters. And then this is Yves Rocher. This is...
That's not what it is.
An Yves Rocher blush that I picked up, which I don't appreciate that they make their blushes the same as their eyeshadows. Like their packaging is the exact same. Like, how are you supposed to know what is what?
Hashtag confusing.
I picked this color because it was like the last one of its shade there. Then we have this, which is Bay. This. I want to use this pretty.
Is that not a highlighter? Is she not pigmented? Where is it?
Well, sometimes you need a blush that you can build up. Ooh,
silenced her.
I like it. Oh, it's on my nose. It's a wanter. I like it. So you should use the Yves Rocher one.
I've been obsessed with nude sticks. I have like 6 of their blushes / bronzers. They're so good. You should try them. Especially for people who like that no makeup look or just like don't know how to do makeup very well like me. I want to mix some. And then I want to try some of those.
People can't even see.
I'm going to mix this baby pink color because I was gravitating towards that. Cute. Do you like it?
Oh yeah. I mean, I'm just more of a fan of like corally tones. Like,
well, here's
you want to use that?
No, I hate how it smells. I hate this. It smells so
Okay,
bad.
well,
like maybe your shoulders so they can just see
okay,
it.
so I got this glow ball. It says on the top, right?
Bay.
It's a Bay glow ball. This is in the shade Jupiter. Oh.
Okay.
How pretty. I'm gonna use this Hema thing. I think these are both highlighters, so I'm gonna see what happens.
Oh yeah, she's good.
Oh. Ooh, yeah, I really like how it looks like built up.
Wow. This looks really good. I like this palette. This is definitely more pigmented than the other one I used.
I am ready to move on to the shadow. I don't know.
This looks so good. I think this makes your skin look really good though.
We're gonna try this Hema eyeshadow palette. This looks hella drugstore. Also, I love color combos.
Well, you also have these 3 like high-end ones. Like,
yeah, these are
a
the
green,
high-end ones, but they're still kind of the same color, so we
shimmery
can
brown.
compare. So I'm taking this color, just like fleshy.
I could wear this at work, I think. I like how it looks good on all natural by itself, and I don't feel it on my face because I'm a nurse and I work over 12-hour shifts, and I usually don't wear makeup because I look like a grease ball, slippery cake face.
This like one of the lighter greens. You should like transition shade. Pigment is buildable.
That's really pretty. It makes it pop a lot more.
I'm gonna go in with this dark brown on the top here.
This is so exciting. I've never done this before. Like, use color and actually look good. At least I think it looks good. Can't tell.
I mean, I think it was cool. It kind of reminds me of like Euphoria makeup. This? Alright, I'm taking this one, y'all. You heard it from Kendall.
That looks good. Ooh, I like that.
Wow. Wow, it's like a rave look.
Can I do my eyeliner?
Yeah.
So I'm using the Bay liquid eyeliner. Oh, it's waterproof. 12-hour matte. Oh, this might be a problem. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just gonna do a simple line.
I swear, if you mess it up and then ask me to fix it. How do you like the shadow?
I like it. It was easy, I think. I'm almost done with this eyeliner. It's very stiff.
The tip itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really impressed by that drugstore eyeshadow. I know it.
Can you fix this? I can't tell.
Bro.
I'm gonna put on the wacky walnut. Oh, this is pretty. I wasn't sure about the shimmer, but this is nice.
Like, honestly not a big fan of this eyeliner. It's running out of ink really fast. It's pissing me off.
This is, I like this lipstick.
Wow, and then what do you know? Okay, well, like, me the mascara.
It's under you.
So, for the mascara, I got some Yves Rocher Vertige Volume 01 Noir.
Wow, she's a thick brush.
Okay, she does kind of clump easily. Very buildable.
Well, it looks like it's easy to fix.
She's like climbing new levels.
Wow.
Hello? Eyelash extension?
I feel like I look like Barbie. Like with this
Like
lipstick.
looking at yourself in the background.
Yeah.
Wow, it's like almost too much for me.
I think I like your El Makiage one better. Like,
Yeah.
like on you, I think that one looks really good on you.
So guys, I've been using the Il Makiage Icon. I just can't believe how smoothly the eyeshadows blended together.
I can't get over how much you look like a butterfly.
No.
I'm so glad you did the teal one. I mean the mint. Much more minty.
I feel like it seems a little dried out, honestly. I'm just stressing out because it's like clumping my lashes together, making it look like SpongeBob. Good luck. I'm gonna be here picking clumps out. I'm giving myself Britney Spears vibes.
Oh my gosh, this is ruining my makeup. Oh my gosh, this is so bad.
I'm gonna put on this Hema lip color. This is Wacky Walnut, same one Kendall's wearing, but it's like just the right amount of
Frosty.
yeah, frosty and like pink, but like still nude.
Yeah, I really like it.
Wacky
Does it make your
Walnut.
lips? This made me look like I have 3 eyelashes on my bottom lower lash.
What a wintry winter look.
Ew.
Kendall's lash extensions, by the way.
On my top, but the bottom I put it under here, and it looks like I have 2 eyelashes under each eyelash. I would give the foundation and concealer probably 10 out of 10 because I didn't set it at all, especially this under eye concealer. I'm really impressed with because it didn't crease at all. It doesn't look cakey or dry, and like the foundation is like set on its own, like it blurs out your pores.
The things I really didn't like though were the contour. I was very pleasantly surprised by the eyeshadows. I was really expecting them to perform way worse. You know, being an eyeshadow from a drugstore. I really like the lipstick. I think I really liked all the Hema products. I was more impressed with the drugstore products than the high-end ones in this scenario, which is pretty wild.
Oh, what about
But
the eyebrows?
I absolutely hate the I hate the pencil one, but I really like the one that I got, like the Bay one. And yeah, the only thing I really didn't like were the contour from Yves Rocher and the mascara from Yves Rocher. Literally everything I hated was from Yves Rocher, so
Yikes. And that was the higher end?
yep.
Ooh. Oh, that eyeliner too was kind of rough. The liquid eyeliner?
Yeah.
From Bay.
Well, yeah, that was the one drugstore thing that was like, yikes. Other than that though, like we liked everything else.
Yeah.
The foundation was a win. And yeah, guys. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would help me out a lot. And if you enjoyed this and you're not subscribed to me, maybe think about subscribing to my channel. I have some really exciting content coming. The notification bell button so you're notified every time I post. We're not doing the thumbnail yet. But yeah, so it would mean the world to me if you also follow me on Instagram. It's honestly the best way to keep up with me. I always post whenever I post a new video on there. Oh, check out my merch down below.
And I love your merch too, just FYI. No, like just actually like I want to get my own hoodie of yours because it's so comfy. And I have your t-shirt.
Sustainable, 100% cotton. So it's also quality. It's not going to, you know, get holes in it like a lot of other merchandise brands. That's me, link below, and it's really not that pricey. And that's it. But I'll see you when I see you. Bye, guys.
Bye.